Hello, my name's Tim Kerr. I look after the crop nutrition for Hutchinson's, and we're in Sutton Bonington. It's the end of April on a drizzly day, and we're in the nitrogen use efficiency trial here, and we're standing next to some contrasting plots of hybrid wheat, where on one side on here we have the control where there's been no nitrogen applied, and here we have the plot where 120 kilos of nitrogen has been applied. And we'll see a big difference, and it's be interesting to monitor this through to the yield, but obvious differences to see here. And one of the challenges we have with nitrogen recommendations is getting it right each year, and we can use different techniques to do that. So what we've already done here is take a soil mineral nitrogen test, which tells us that there's around about 100 kilos of nitrogen, residual nitrogen in the soil. And at this time of year, when the crop's going through this peak growth, it will be using around about 25 kilos of nitrogen per week. So it's very important to meet that demand. And to monitor that, we can also do things like use a chlorophyll meter here, which will measure the chlorophyll in the leaf, and that will give us a degree of the nitrogen required, whether there's more nitrogen required or not. And this will vary year on year, because the soil can release anything from 50 to 150 kilos of nitrogen in different years and different soils. This seems to be quite a fertile soil that we're dealing with here. So it'll be a really interesting trial to look at again as we go through the season.